Hey, CK.
What's up, man?
Waiting for you.
Sorry, man, got a bit late.
No problem. Let me take you to a toy store for motorcyclists.
Oh my god!
Come on, old man, let's go.
Yeah. So many people in here, but they all look relatively young.
Come. CK.
Now let's look something for the KLX.
You want to look for something for the KLX?
Yes.
Okay, before you go to the KLX, do you have a motorcycle that can suit? We buy the gear first and then buy the motorcycle.
Yeah.
Unlike,
Always been the case.
unlike buy the motorcycle. So, we have this gear, we have this motorcycle. Do we?
Yes.
Okay. Aha, look, your jacket.
Mwah.
Lemetto.
Lemeto.
Like the Italians will say. Speedy is from Italy.
Yes.
È fantastico, bellissimo, bellissimo.
Okay.
Oh, come. Acer Bis. It's a very popular European brand, CK. We have not heard much of it in India. They make some real value for money, good stuff.
Not all that heavy for a touring jacket.
Mesh touring, and they specialize in motocross.
Yes.
It's going to go well with your KLX. There's some, see, this is raid type of clothing, wear armor inside
Okay.
and then wear this over. Cold weather. Just in case you want to participate in the Dakar Rally, CK.
Oh, I thought I will do the Spiti Valley next year and you're talking of Dakar.
Look at this. Winter stuff. Okay, you heard of this brand?
Ixon?
Very special. This is the jacket I'm after.
Yeah?
Yeah, I opened a piggy bank to buy this. You know what's special about this?
No.
You can wear an airbag suit inside.
Aha.
Airbag compatible. It's a French brand.
Mm-hmm.
Famous for racing leathers.
Racing.
So shall we buy a set of leathers and then buy the motorcycle?
Yes.
Okay.
Sounds a good deal.
Because the leathers are going to cost you a lakh. So then might as well buy a motorcycle after that.
Yeah.
Let's go take a look at the leathers.
Come on. Again, XCOM.
Oh wow. I want to be a champion.
I thought those were spark plugs.
No.
No?
They are, but that's not the reference. Oh yeah, this is a spark plug. But then my reference was with, I want to be a champion, like the French will say.
Hard.
It is incredible.
Aha. Great. Musky.
Oh, I need to control my.
This looks good, man.
Awesome, no? What X3?
Yes.
Racing suit, CK. Have you ever worn a racing suit?
No.
Huh? I have not worn one either.
You were talking as if you've been in and out of racing.
I hope it's got a lot of accordion here to fit the our midriff.
Beer bellies.
Because you look at this, they're all like lean racers.
Yes.
So you would normally stand out like this.
Musky. Everything's fine.
Yeah.
We buy the race suite or suit.
Suit, yeah.
What do we ride it on? Definitely not the KLX.
No. RSV. Okay, we can't afford the RSV. Let's go with the RS457. We can buy the 457. We can split it between us. I put in half the money. You put in half the money. We can't do that with the racing suit. So we'll have to invest in a racing suit. So this is what I'm talking about. Ixon. They make some excellent. These are used in MotoGP. The highest standard of safety requirements.
AAA.
Yeah, AAA, airbag compatible, a lot more in MotoGP than just the regular track stuff, and Ixon makes some good stuff. You want to go to the motocross section
Yes.
so that you can wear something for your KLX?
Yes. I mean,
Let's go. Before going there, you want to go? Where are you? Hey,
Musky,
what?
look at this. Shall we run away with it?
Me want first.
I too want first.
No, I will make sure Rice doesn't get you on.
I will also pick. I'll start an online petition for myself.
What else would you want, CK, after you get this for your Himalayan?
Aluminium swinger, aluminium top frame, And God damn it.
Ace doesn't make that.
They don't?
This is a 23 liter.
Is that 24?
Yeah, 23, 24. It comes in a yellow color also.
I don't mind as long as it holds 24 liters. Who cares for colors?
Hey, look at this bash plate.
Yeah, that's fiber.
Wow. Solid one.
And
Did
look
you
at
see this?
Yeah.
Hey, get your foot out of the way, you dummy. Actually a dummy, right?
He is.
Get your foot out of the way, dummy.
But break his leg.
Look at this cover. See the way it's integrated into the...
But would it not withhold the heat within itself? Mosky and her boys will complain more of the heat.
I don't care. Me one.
I too want.
Oh, wow. I told you I'm taking you to a toy store.
Look at this musky, and it looks very compact and neat.
Look at this handguard.
Yeah,
This is nice, right?
built,
Built.
not bought.
Not bought. I like.
So
I like
Musky,
this slogan.
we'll do one thing. We'll run away with this and say robbed, not bought.
Rob no longer available.
Okay, the key is right here.
Witness, I didn't steal it. If it is missing, it is CK. If you're going to ride your KLX, you're
Yes.
going to do some off-road stuff,
Hopefully,
this is what you need. Protection. Always useful in all aspects of life.
exactly.
Okay, see, you pick this up, get one of this, okay, and then we need to pick up a jersey. Where are the jerseys?
Right there.
Oh my goodness, look at these Ace jerseys.
Yeah.
See the ventilation, exactly what we need when doing some dusty and hot trails. You have your green, this will go well with your green KLX. Oh my goodness, this will go well with my grey KLX.
Grey, yes. Grey goose.
Anything that comes free will go even better. CK, would you care to buy me something? Hey, look at these jeans. This is what you're talking about, right? These are motorcycle jeans, Cordura.
Cordura. I think these are AA.
Are they? Let's check it out.
Oh no, it's single A.
A-rated.
A-rated.
Protect. Yes.
I think I picked up the other one from Reise. I think those were Acer Bis.
Ace jeans.
Yeah, Acer Bis jeans. I think it could be here.
Okay, could be here.
Yes, this is the one. See, I recognize it. AA rated.
Double A. Can you imagine denim jeans with double A rating, which comes just under full leathers?
Yes.
Hey, look at these inners. Summer. Off-road X-body summer. Okay, I don't have an X-body. I probably have a D-body. Shaped like a D. O-body. Okay, off-road O-body summer. Winter we don't need. We need the summer stuff.
Yeah.
Are you making a list of all we need?
Yes, it's all up here.
It's all up in the air.
And they've got some goggles. OTG
Yeah.
for me to wear over the glasses.
OTG? So they do have OTGs.
They do have?
Yeah. We'll get some OTGs. Don't worry. Because even with your glasses, I don't know which way you headed, CK. Without glasses, I don't know where you will go. Motocross helmets.
Yeah.
I think we have
now
about
we
4
are
or 5
cutting.
options at
Plastic.
different sizes.
This goes in for you. Why is it being so hard?
Because it's made for a small head like yours, not for a big head like mine. Quite light.
Yeah, the point light, Busky.
Yeah, nice.
I think this goes with your Grey Goose.
Grey Goose. Yeah, I can wear this with my
Yeah.
Grey Goose, right?
Yes.
Hey, this is something you must see. Come on, let me show you this. Super lightweight mesh jacket, okay? Our back insert is not there. It's got a shoulder armor. And the biggest surprise of it all, can I show you something?
Yeah. Wow.
Double A. For a mesh jacket like this, double A, unheard of.
You can see the whole of India through this, Busky. See? Look at this. It's
Yeah.
just mesh.
It's mesh and
Wow.
it is double A. I have not seen a mesh jacket with double A rating. These are some specialists, man. Tocano Urbano. Hey, this is something you can wear for commuting. And I left you. I know what you will do. You will tour with this also.
Yes.
Because you will tell me it's double A.
Double A, Basky.
Why can't I tour with
Why
it?
can't
And I won't have a defense.
Exactly.
You win for a change. Yeah, I think this is a brand, Toucan Urbano.
Yeah.
It's more a fashion brand. They're trying to make a statement. Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
For the mountain, of course, we don't need it in summer now.
And
for
this,
sure.
and this has got guards as well, Basky.
This, oh
yeah,
my goodness,
it's not a
this
regular winter one, please.
This has got a armor also.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Hi, hang on. Yeah, what's the rating?
I don't think this has got a rating. This has only got protection from the weather.
Weather. No, but I'm interested to find the armors in it.
Just in case you decide to go on the whiteout to Spiti Valley and you decide to go to the gym, you can wear this and go. Even this has got the elbow and shoulder protection. Hey, this is a great. I think this is something I will.
Basket, this is
Fine,
also
very
a double A rated.
This.
Yeah, see, class AA.
Oh my God. I have an eye on this. My piggy bank
Okay.
just multiplied into 2. Now I have a second piggy bank. You guys must visit the store. I think from track suit to mesh like this to motocross. We can get tires here, a few helmets, and there is a motorcycle that we can steal.
No, not the motorcycle, Basket.
Yeah, the parts from it.
No. I'm being precise. The fuel tank.
The fuel tank,
Yep.
the side guards,
The side guard.
sub
Yeah.
guard.
The engine cover guards. Yeah.
Fantastic store. I think you guys must visit, take a look. You will find what you seek.
Do we go ahead and order for 2 tanks? Let's do that.
Let's go do that.
Yeah.